Morning, comfort in my help you?
Yes, Becky. Can I please speak to 208?
208?
Uh-huh.
Thank you for calling the Comfort Inn Columbia, located on Bush River Road.
Hello?
Yes, hello, ma'am. This is Eric with the front desk.
Uh-huh.
Are you okay? Listen, now we've had a maid. She was in the laundry room and she was moving some stuff around and she actually knocked the gas line loose. And we've got gas all in the hallways. We have the fire department and the hazmat team. They have been dispatched. So I need you to remain calm. First thing I need to get you to do is I need you to tell me how many people are in the room with you.
We have 4 in this room.
Okay, now listen to me. Just remain calm. Go and put the phone down and go and get a towel. Wet that towel and put it in front of your door so you seal it and no gas can get into the room. We have to block off that gas so no one passes out, okay? The fire department is on the way. So go do that and come back to the phone, but please hurry.
Yes, sir.
I mean, you can. Now, does it open or does it not open?
We're not quite sure.
Okay, well, if it doesn't, what we're just going to go ahead and do to make sure that we get a maximum opening in the window, because we do need a good 5-foot opening, I need you to, are there any children in the room, first of all?
No, we're all over the age of...
Okay, just get everybody, if there's a man in the room, I would prefer that he does it. I need you to get the toilet tank lid, okay, in the bathroom and use it to break that window out so you can get some airflow into that room, because if you don't, then you could pass out. Now, that we have to get this done because the fire department is on their way, but they could take several minutes to get here. So just put the phone down. If you just explain to a man if he's in the room, if it's all women, just whoever's willing to do it, just please hurry, but be very careful, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Put the phone down. Don't hang up.
Okay, we opened the window is open.
Okay, no, that's what I'm saying. How far is it open?
We opened it all the way to it to go back.
Right. You said all the way. Like I explained, the window open all the way as far as it open is not enough airflow. It's not enough space to get air into that room rapidly enough. I need you to close that window, ma'am, and be careful. If you can, take a sheet and put it around your hand. Can you hold that toilet tank lid and break that glass out? You have to get every bit of it out so we can get the airflow into the room.
Okay.
They're all on the way. I'm on the room with 208 right now, okay? Just try to get everybody else you can. The fire department is on the way. I'm up, okay? Hello? Okay, just put the phone down and go do that.
Okay. So break the other side of the window?
Just close the window completely, ma'am, and break it out, because if you break it when it's open, that's going to be 2 panes of glass. You have a lot more chance of getting hurt. So close it so the glass isn't as thick. Just please hurry, ma'am. I got to get you another room. Put the phone down and go do it.
Okay. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please.
Wait,
I gotta get to the next room. Do what?
We're supposed to break the window?
Yes, ma'am. You have to break the window to get airflow in there. Do you not smell the gas?
Okay, thank you. He said he has to go. He has to go to the next room.
She hung up. Call back, damn it. Hurry, call back. That bitch is probably still gonna break. Smash him.
Good evening, comfort in my help you?
Yes, sir. I got disconnected with 208. Can I get transferred one more time?
Sure.
Jesus, yes!
Hello.
Ma'am, do not hang the phone up, ma'am. I can't move on until you've broken the window. Please hurry up and get airflow in there. The fire department is on the way. They're going to have to rescue you out of that window. You cannot leave that room.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. You gotta break the window before we hang out. Break the window. Let's go. Break it now.
Ma'am, you gotta hit it harder.
Hit it harder, Genesis, now.
Now get all of the glass out.
Get all of the glass out. Lindsay. Hello?
Hello? Hi, who am I speaking with? Hello?
Hello?
Ma'am.
Yes.
All that glass cleared up.
We're getting it cleared out now.
Okay, now, do you have a microwave in the room?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, grab that microwave. Quick, unplug it, and after you get that glass cleared out, throw that out of the room because it can ignite the gas vapors.
Throw it out of the room?
Right. Hurry up, man, because it can ignite the gas vapors.
Get the microwave out of the room. Like, unplug it and... Wait, what do we do?
Grab the microwave,
We unplug the microwave and...
Pick it up and throw it out the window. Just make
throw
sure
it out the window. Got it. Okay.
Throw it out the window. Hurry.
Unplug the microwave and throw it out the window. He said the gas vapors are coming off. Go. Throw it. Throw it. Keep the glass out, guys. Okay? Break the window in your room. Break the window in your room. Gas. There's a gas leak. And get the... Oh.
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, did you get that microwave out of there? The microwave is out of the
We
room.
threw the microwave out.
Okay, now we need to get the refrigerator out. Do you have a refrigerator?
Wait.
Jordy! They said there was a gas leak. Oh my God. Where's Jolie? Told us all through.
Hello, don't hang up, dumbass.
No?
Okay, now call the front desk and tell them that I'm going to tell them my girlfriend is up there and she just broke up with me and got mad and threw the microwave out the window. This is what I meant by the
Can I help you?
Hey man, what's going on? Look, my girlfriend, she's up there with her friends up there in 208, and man, me and her just got in a big old fight. We just got in a big fight. I left the room. She got pissed and threw her microwave out the window.
Yeah, they broke the windows and everything.
Yes, so she did it all out of anger at me. She tried to throw the microwave at me. Are you there?